Hello. Most have had a fine day to end the working week, but already we're looking out into the Atlantic. The cloud has been thickening for Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. This massive cloud is a developing area of low pressure set to bring us more rain and more wind. Gale force winds quite widely in northern and western areas setting in through this evening and overnight. There may be some temporary snow over the hills, but it's the strength of the wind and the rain that gives us concern. And the two combined obviously making for some quite abysmal travelling conditions. But temperatures have been lifting in the north as we've gone through the day with the onset of that mild Atlantic air. As you can see, that snow quite temporary, but it looks like a wet evening and night for Scotland, for Northern Ireland, for northwest England. There'll be some spots of drizzle elsewhere around hills and coasts in southern and western areas, but the wind and the cloud will hold temperatures up. In fact, after a temporary dip in the south, it'll be much milder as we head towards Saturday morning. So Saturday dawns on a cloudy note for most of us, a cloudy and windy day to come, but mild because we are bathed in these southwesterly winds, these strong southwesterly winds, and that's going to be a theme really for the next 5 or 6 days across the UK. So just looking in detail at this rain still going for Northern Ireland and Scotland, slowly clearing to give sunshine and a few showers following come the afternoon. But actually for parts of Northern England and Wales, it may rain for much of the day. And it's here we'll see some of the strongest, gustiest winds, perhaps 50 to 60 miles an hour in places. They do tend to ease in the north later on. But for England and Wales, a windy, mild, cloudy, even wet day, as you can see in northern and western areas. But the far south and east should stay mostly fine and dry. And as I say, it's mild. But then gradually that weather front through Saturday night into Sunday will push southwards, and behind it we get some chillier air in temporarily. So I think a colder night on Saturday night into Sunday in the north in particular, but still really mild on the south, and that's because we have that cloud and that rain still to contend with us Sunday morning. And even once that clears away, there'll be a rash of showers for a time, but they tend to peter out as well come the afternoon. So certainly afternoon, bright, dry with sunny spells for many, just a few lingering showers in the northwest. And it's a chillier day, only 5 to 11 degrees Celsius, notably chillier in the north. And then we've got more wet and windy weather sweeping in for the start of the week. This next developing area of low pressure filling most of the Atlantic. There are warnings out there on the website.